know the feel, or how it looks at the top, or if it's even real. We ain't selling dreams, but we live in some. No arms license and still we stick to our guns.
I'm gonna live my life. I'm gonna live my life, oh yeah.
We here to live for ourselves first. And if in doing that it helps you, so be it. Let it drive. Let's go. We're gonna live in full.
If I keep living my life, eventually I'll allow my truth.
Better talk to him.